Happy Sabbath! Ayan po, ang Friends for Life ngayong April 11, 2026 ay nandito sa kanilang magandang church sa Buhay na Sapa SDA Church. And of course, kasama natin ang mga kapitapitagang couple dito sa kanilang church. Si Sir Josh Bagnes, happy birthday advance, sir. And of course, Ma'am Melba Bagnes, thank you po sa pag-invite sa Friends for Life. At kami ay nakarating dito sa inyong magandang iglesia. Kaya looking forward sa iba pang mga activities na magaganap ngayong umaga hanggang sa hapon hanggang bukas pa. So mga kapatid, tunghayan natin at tignan natin mamaya ang kagandahan ng loob ng kanilang iglesia. So yun lang po, happy Sabbath!
Dahil yung drug abuse for how many years? And alcoholism, cigarettes, alcohol, drugs, etc. By the time I was 23, actually...
will be taken. Each step I take just leads me closer home.
Buhay na Sapa SDA Church loves Friends for Life! Yay! We're the Friends for Life, Friends for Life, Friends for Life. We're the Friends for Life, Friends for Life, Friends for Life. Friends